the universe is hiding a secret that's 85% of everything. It's called dark matter, an invisible force holding galaxies together. Without it, stars would fly apart like confetti in the wind. But what is it? We can't see it, touch it, or detect it directly. It only reveals itself through gravity, bending light and speeding up rotations in ways normal matter can't explain. Scientists first suspected it in the 1930s, but in 2025, it's still one of astronomy's biggest puzzles. But how do we know it's real? The evidence for dark matter is overwhelming. Galaxy rotations don't match visible mass. Stars orbit too fast on the edges, proving unseen gravity at work. The bullet cluster collision shows dark matter separating from normal matter, like ghosts passing through walls. In 2025, JWST's deep scans and particle accelerators like CERN hunt for clues. But no direct detection yet. What if it's WIMPs, axions, or primordial black holes? Dark matter shapes the universe's fate. Without it, no galaxies, no stars, no us. The search continues. Could we solve it soon?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Off the Chart Multimedia YouTube channel for more fascinating videos.